Guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Contrary to popular belief, we're not going to try and burn up the 4,000 calories we had a couple of days ago for dinner. This workout realistically is going to burn about 150, 175 calories, no more than that. Workout is going to consist of 20 lunges, 20 sit-ups, 10 push-ups, and 15 goblet squats. You have the option of using dumbbells. I'm going to use a set of 20s for this entire workout. Before we get going, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. It keeps me motivated to keep on making these videos for you. So having said that, let's get started in about 1 second. All right, guys, so welcome back. We'll get started in about 2 minutes of just hopping around, pretending we got a jump rope. Ready? And let's go. Just 2 minutes to get the heart rates moving. 2 minutes is quite a bit. So if you want to walk. If you want to just do a little hops, do one with me. Remember, 2 minutes of this just to get the heart rate pumping. So welcome to Fit After 50. If you're first time here, all the workouts are filmed right here from this basement. So if I can fit in this little space, hopefully you can fit it in the little space that you get to continue these workouts with me. We're 30 seconds in. You can just swing your arms. You can pretend you do a jump rope. You can shake them out, do whatever you want. If you want to just walk in place, that's great too. I'm just glad you're here moving with me. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Just a reminder, this is a Monday workout. First workout post Thanksgiving. We have about a minute, a little more than a minute of jumping around. And from there, we're going to go straight into 20 lunges. You have the option of using dumbbells. First time around, I am not going to use dumbbells. I'm going to treat this more as a warm-up round and let it get progressively harder and harder. Remember, we're doing 15 minutes straight. No stopping today, guys, so hope you held with me for the entire 15 minutes. Keep jumping right now, keep jumping. Shuffle those feet a little bit. Do whatever you gotta do. You can do jumping jacks, you can do whatever you wanna do as long as you're moving. We have another 30 seconds left. My heart rate is already warm. It's hard to talk, means I'm warming up. Whew. About 20 seconds left or so. 2 minutes flies by pretty quickly here. And then we have 15 minutes of work. We'll try to get as many quality rounds as possible. Whew. All right, let's get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 20 lunges, guys. Like I said, I'm leaving the weights where they're at. Are you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and just alternate legs. 1, 2, 3. Treat this first round or two as a warm-up, whatever you're comfortable with. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one and 5. That took about a minute just to give you an idea how fast we're going to be moving. On the ground, 20 sit-ups. If you can, get those arms pointed up in the air and sit up. Ready? 1, 2, 8. 2 more for halfway. 9, 10. Halfway, keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 5, 6, 7. 3 more. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. All right, stay on the ground. We're going for 10 push-ups. Normally, we're gonna slide this dumbbell back and forth. Right now, we're not doing it. It's still a warm-up round. So just give me 10 quality push-ups. Ready? Down. And that's 1. Down. 2. Down. 3. For a warm-up, if you feel like you have to do it on your knees, 4. That's fine. 6. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, and 1 more, and 10. Now we can get to stand up, and we're going straight into more legs. It's a very leg-heavy exercise today, workout I should say. 15 goblet squats, arms in front of you, pretending you're holding something right here. Down, and that's 1. Down, and 2. Down, 3. Down, 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10 leaves us 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going right back to the lunges. You have an option of using dumbbells. I'm going to use my 20s and go for 20 lunges. If you have whatever dumbbell you got, that's what we're going with, or no dumbbells at all. Ready? 1. Much more difficult. 2. 3. Just stay with me. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Halfway. Keep it up. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 5 more. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. All right, 20 sit-ups. I'm gonna not do a dumbbell on this. If you wanna do a dumbbell, however, do it with a dumbbell. The preview will show a dumbbell just in case you're gonna be wondering what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna try a dumbbell on the next one. But now, let's go 20. 1, 2, 3. Arms pointing towards the ceiling. As much as you can. 4, 5, 6. Always in control, guys. 7. We're 5 minutes in. 8. 9. Halfway. Keep it up. Don't stop. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 more. Ready? Count with me. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And nice and easy on the way down. All right, stay on the floor. If you like, grab your dumbbell. Put it on the side. Plank position. Slide the dumbbell over. Give me a push-up. 1. Slide it over. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, and last one. And 10. All right, goblet squats. I'm skipping the dumbbell on this one. Once again, previous with the dumbbell. Let's go. 1, it's just 15. 2, 3, 4. Pretend dumbbell right here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, nice and deep. 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, progressively making this harder. So dumbbells on this, and 20 lunges. Ready, guys? Let's go. 1, 2, stay with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Remember, you have an option of doing these with dumbbells or without dumbbells. If you want to challenge yourself a little bit, do what I do. Just add a dumbbell per round to one of the exercises. 5 more. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, I'm gonna try this sit-ups with the dumbbell. A little bit of weight, a little more of a challenge. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. It's also okay to start with a dumbbell and then drop it when you're done. Just start on your chest. 5, 6. Let's say do 10 with, 10 without. 7, 8, 9. Keep it up. 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, sliding dumbbell push-up. You guys ready to go? A little breather, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Halfway. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, goblet squats. We have a little less than 5 minutes left. Dumbbell in hand, let's go for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. I always say my workouts are your workouts. I'm tired. 20 lunges. You guys ready? Let's go. 1. Pace is definitely slow down for me. 2, 3. Try to stay in control. 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9. Halfway. Beautiful. Keep it up. Stay with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3 minutes of working out left. 5 more, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, and 5. All right, one dumbbell down. Going to do the sit-ups with a dumbbell once again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. No, it's not easy. 3. That's why it's rewarding. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, 10 push-ups. This looks like it's the last round. We got about a minute left. Let's just get this one done. You guys ready? Let's go. Slide over. Push up. Slide over. Push up. Over. That's 3. Over. That's 4. Keep it up. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. And 10. All right, let's finish it up. 15 goblet squats. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo! And that's it, guys. I'm tired. What a great workout. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. 15 minutes of non-stop movement. For reference, on my watch, it was about 200 calories. So in reality, think about it. 1 pound of fat is 3,500 calories. So if you ate 3,500 calories more on Thanksgiving than you only did, you've only gained 1 pound. So don't believe when people say, oh, I gained 5 pounds, I gained 10. Not true. You gained 1 pound. Similarly, this one workout didn't do that much to burn it off, but hopefully got you back on track or got you started. So thank you for joining me today for After 50. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.